Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a responsive resizable text area, import and select element. If you take a look at the screen, you can see how select element adjust to fit content. There we go. If I select small, as you can see, and if I select medium, and you can see here they're just trying to fit. There we go, super duper extra long text, and see, it is still work responsibly. The same apply to the text area as well. If I'm typing here something else, as you can see, whenever I'm typing, it really does not matter. So there we go, it's like shrinking and growing. If you want to achieve this thing, then you have to write a lot of JavaScript code. But in CSS, there is a new feature which is field sizing that allow us to do this thing very easily. And you can see there is a no scroll bar is there. But what happens if I don't add field sizing content? Let's give example. So I'm just trying to zoom out, and then as you can see here, I have a simple in HTML from, and inside this from I have a field set and a legend and input select and text area, and inside style.css I have given some style here inside this HTML, so you can add by yourself. And here is body tag. Inside this body tag I have given simple style. Inside this from I have given here width, and inside this field size I have given here, so we don't need to add here. And inside this select, as you can see, I have to select here input text area and select element, and then I have added here field size content. So here value, initial value is fixed. If I add here fixed, as you can see, let's see how it look like. As you can see, now we have scroll bar for select element, and the width adjusts to fit the longest content of value. There you go. If I select small, it really doesn't matter. It's just trying to adjust to the longest value of the element. There you go. But if you add this line of code, it will have massive impact. However, this feature is not yet supported in all browsers. To ensure better capability, you can set a min width and max width to support other browser. Let's say in text area, what you can do, you can say text. Inside this text area, you can select here min width. As you can see, after adding minimum width 50 pixel, you can see here, and now looks like this. There we go. So if I, let's say, don't add this minimum width and remove type away, you can see the difference. There you go. Let's see. After removing, if I add here content, and then you can see, there we go, there is a no width. But if I add here the minimum width, you can see always that's going to be 50 pixel, no matter, at least 50 pixel. So this way you can make responsive if it does not support others browser. Thank you very much, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe.